What's the meaning of captivating? Captivating. Captivating.
Captivating. Captivating. Captivating means something that is charming, attractive, or fascinating, and holds the attention of the viewers or listeners. It describes a quality that draws people in and enraptures them, making them unable to look away or become disinterested. A captivating thing or person has a certain energy or charm about them that makes people want to stay connected or engaged with them. The result of being captivating can be a feeling of satisfaction, enjoyment, or even inspiration, as one is drawn into the engaging experience and feels a deep connection with it.